Hello everybody, it's Julia. I'm finally back after 2 weeks of not uploading a video. I finally have my computer fixed, at least for a while. And so in this video I'm gonna try and transform this men's shirt into nice girly top. So as a first thing, we're gonna cut off the sleeves. You can put those away for now, we're gonna use them later. I measured 13 centimeters from the center of the shirt, 13 centimeters to the right and then 13 to the left. Then I made a line from those points down 6 centimeters, and then from those points I measured 9 centimeters to sides. It will create sort of a rectangle shape as if with the corners that are cut off. When that's done, you should have something that looks like this. As the next thing, I double hemmed the top of the t-shirt or whatever we are creating, and I did the same thing for the back of it. Then I cut off the bottom of the shirt because I didn't want the top to be so long. Then I sew all the way around the back and front panel of the shirt just to make sure that the fabric won't fray in the future with the zigzag stitch. Here I'm cutting the sleeve, and I don't really know how to explain this part. It's pretty self-explanatory if you just watch the video. We do the same for both of the sleeves. And of course, I sew all the way around to make sure the fabric won't fray again. I didn't realize that not everything was visible, but I hope this will be enough. What I'm doing here basically is just using an elastic as a guide while I'm pinning the fabric to make a tunnel for that elastic. Once you have the tunnel pinned, you can sew it down. And you can also pull the elastic through, which I don't have a footage of, but there's nothing complicated about it. You just use the safety pin to pull the elastic through the tunnel. Once that's done, you're gonna pin the end of the elastic to the fabric of the sleeve and you're gonna sew it down just to make sure that it won't move. Should look something like this, and when you have this done, you can cut off the rest of the elastic that is hanging out of the fabric, and then you can pin the sleeves to the body of the top with the right sides touching. And you can sew it in place. Once it's done, it should look like this. And now all you need to do is turn the whole thing backwards, I guess, so that you can connect the sides and the rest of the sleeves together. As a last thing, I decided to cut the top even shorter because I wanted it cropped. And I added 2 more buttons just to make it look a little bit nicer. I hemmed the bottom of the top and the sleeves too. I tried the top on, but it was still a little ill-fitting, so I decided to cut a little parts of the sides off. Or better yet, I just sewed along the sides of the top just to make it fit a little bit better. And this is the finished product. It's still a little bit iffy, but I'm learning and I gotta start somewhere, I guess. So this is my start. It could look a little bit better, but I'm okay with that, and maybe later on I will be fixing it so that it looks better. But yeah, this was it, and I hope that from now on, now that my computer is working, I should be uploading again every Monday. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you had a great Monday and that your week will be great too. And I guess I see you next time. Bye!